Today, we're looking at how to form an emulsion for pharmaceutical creams and ointments. Creating a fine, stable emulsion with good dispersion of active pharmaceutical ingredients and other raw materials is essential to obtain the right consistency and functionality in the end product. Silverson rotor-stator mixers provide positive mixing that draws the oil and water phases into the workhead and subjects them to intense mechanical and hydraulic shear as they are forced out through the perforations in the workhead and back into the body of the mix. In a short mixing cycle, the liquids pass many times through the workhead, progressively reducing the droplet size, ensuring a fine, stable emulsion. The high shear mixing action will also rapidly disperse the API and other ingredients in the formulation. A Silverson mixer can easily create an emulsion with a droplet size of 2 to 5 microns. Finer emulsions down to 0.5 microns can also be obtained depending on the formulation. For low to medium viscosity emulsions, a batch mixer can be used for smaller volumes. For higher viscosity creams and ointments, we'd recommend a Silverson high shear bottom entry mixer with a scraper stirrer to maintain uniformity in the vessel. For larger batches, an inline mixer recirculating the contents of the vessel will produce a homogeneous, fine emulsion. Silverson inline mixers concentrate their energy on the small amount of product in the mixing chamber, and a correctly sized mixer offers greater efficiency on large volumes. They are self-pumping and completely aeration-free. Silverson is a pioneer in the development of ultra-hygienic sanitary mixing equipment for the pharmaceutical industry. Our mixers meet or exceed all guidelines set by the regulatory bodies. We can custom build equipment to suit specific customer requirements, and we can supply mixers with FDA documentation packages, including full material traceability. To find out more, contact us today or visit our website at silverson.com.